welcome to Charmingled channel. This is Tina, and today I will show you our finished product workshop. And here we go. First, we can see here is our product production line, which mainly produces screen light product. That has small screens on the module. Screw filling, module packaging, and so on. Next, here is the components assembly line, which is responsible for the assembly of components of various series, such as K series and CT series. Finally, this is the area where our screen finally agent, which is mainly divided into the components agent area and the module aging area. After completing 70 and 2 hours of the testing, it can be taken out for shipping, packing, and shipping out. Well, that's all for today's video. Looking for your next video. Bye bye.